How to fix headphones stop working or no sound in Windows 10 or 11. So under Windows 10 or 11, if you're facing a problem with the headphones, if they are not working or if there is no sound under your headphones or if they've stopped working, then the first thing you need to do is you need to simply check the wire and you need to simply unplug it. And once you unplug, you can again plug it and then you can try to listen and you will be able to have. Or if that still doesn't fix your problem, then there is the second way. You need to simply reinstall the drivers for your headphones. So in Windows 10 or 11, as I've seen, the problem can come up because these windows will sometimes automatically disable the audio enhancements. So to fix that, what you need to do is simply go for the search, click on the search, and then you need to simply search for this PC. Or if you don't find this PC option, then you need to simply go for the device manager and open the device manager. And here you will have this kind of tab, right? So once you're here, you need to simply go for the sound, video, and game controllers option. And here you will have all of the sounds, right? So simply click on this arrow and you will get all of these options and locate your sound controller. In most cases, the sound controller will have the name of your headphones or of your speakers that you are using. So just simply right click on that. So for example, I'll be choosing this one and you need to go for uninstall device. Now you can exit out of the device manager and what you need to do is you need to unplug your device. Once you've installed the device, once you click on uninstall device, you need to unplug your headphones. Just restart and plug the headphones in and Windows will automatically reinstall the drivers and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your headphones stop working or no sound in your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.